Good morning! Kumustang lahat? Have a good day to all guys! Have a good morning! Kumusta? Ito tayo guys, medyo na, we feel fresh na. I feel fresh na today guys. So yun, nakaligo na tayo, but don't mind my, wavy hair. So yun guys, ito yung morning natin. So let's have a coffee. Coffee guys, early in the morning. So kumustang araw nyo guys, kumustang morning nyo, lahat na ba nakapag-coffee na? So let's have a coffee sa mga coffee lovers dyan. Let's have a coffee guys. Lahat na ba nakapagligo na, ready na lahat? Saan ang puntahan? So yun lang guys, have a good day to all.